Aussie.
Map check kayo. Saan kayo ngayon?
Mordi Gulch Ravine.
Ravine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mordi Gulch
Layo.
Ravine.
Wait lang. Saan?
They're bonking now.
Can you mark sit the fuck down? Yeah.
Medyo malayo pa kami ha. Nakuha niyo na yung
Sige
castle,
lang. Nag-saging kami. Saging sila. Ready in me. Na shipper.
Bading shaper, sino yun?
Ulul, side
Okay, get ready boy. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me na south.
Andiyan na sila,
Back.
Cooks?
Yes,
Saging na. We're fighting already.
Okay. Try to stall.
Hold lang namin.
Sorry, ala ko.
Chill lang man. May ditang. Get ready, okay? You have the advantage, your bro. Nice battle
Your
mount give
supports,
you.
do not go hit over the wall, please. You know, just chill.
Chill lang.
Grabe si Jess, nag-i-stack.
Who's my guard rune? Mia, cycle the guard rune.
Agad.
Halimaw.
DPS ready shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow Mia. Okay, go back. Let's go back, boy. Yes, Bedrock. Good job. Guard runes. Don't forget the guard runes. Outkeeper. Okay? Can you give me information on the gate? Ichigo, can you stay in the middle, Ichigo? We need your guardian. We need your taitae. Alam mo yon, yung taitae ng chariot. Yan, yung taitae. Ilapag mo yung taitae niya.
So, don't forget Gigapots if they flood, guys.
Yeah.
Pasabi nga pag gate broken na Cooks.
Okay,
first
okay,
gate.
copy. Almost. 15%.
29.
Okay,
29 ba?
pa kami, sorry.
29.
Sa pass.
Okay, DPS gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw gate.
People bonking southwest also, okay? Careful.
Okay. Some people bonking in southwest. Anong guild yan? Sila?
Same.
Sige lang. Chill lang.
10%
Into DA tayo, man. Okay. Spread lang, man. They will
10%.
flood. Okay, they're flooding. CC them now, boys. Everyone now on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you wipe this shit? Can you wipe them? Good job. Okay, full walk now. Full walk them. Walk in now. Giga first, okay? Giga. Walk in, bro. Heal. Support. Heal us. Okay? Support, heal us. Heal us. Everyone east. Everyone, crown. Follow crown. Look east now on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big on the crown.
The bombs out.
Okay, go back for now. Give space. Go back.
Going deep.
Go back. Heal the front line, okay? Okay. Chill muna.
Gap na kami, one map.
Okay. Chill lang. We kill some of them.
I still haven't marked the bomb. Wait.
Chill. Only one dead on us, okay? Chill.
Si Slake lang namatay sa atin, di ba?
Yes.
Spread lang.
Info nga, anong DA nila? Anong DA nyo?
DA 18. Be careful southwest side, other bonking. Can you check? I need someone to check on the southwest if they broke in the second gate.
Hindi pa. First gate pa lang broken nila.
Okay. Give me info on that.
Second gate to
If you have eyes, give me info.
The second gate break all.
Okay, come to me west, come to me southwest. Follow me southwest.
Following the
Follow me.
coming in, please.
Follow me. CC them now. Okay, on me southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw now. Kill this one. Full run over this. Run over this shit. Full run over this shit. Run over them.
Kill this.
Run over this shit.
Side bonking.
Okay, it's okay. Let them bong. We can fight them inside, okay? Don't follow too much, Okay, go back now.
I-info, saan nag-bonk yung kalaban?
They're bonking southeast now.
Southeast. Saan kami pwede naman? Southwest?
Southwest kayo. Clear na southwest. Pinatay na namin sila southwest.
Ronnie Kitchen!
Calm down.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Wait, yeah, I know. Ay, oh, sorry, I'm mic here. Sorry.
They
Okay,
going
come here,
out.
come here.
Some of them.
Okay, come here, boys. Come here. Wait, chill, Alec.
We're here.
Southwest side kayo dumaan, ha? Southwest side kayo dumaan.
Yeah. Andito na kami.
Okay. Get ready now, ah. Get ready now. If they engage. Okay, come first floor. Don't be afraid on them. Come first floor lang. How many DA check? Check DA.
17.
17.
17, okay. I need one scout in southwest side, ah. Be careful on the southwest side. Chill lang.
Daddy chill.
Let them come in. Anong gamit nyo, man? Anong gamit nyo? Wait lang, ah. Wait lang. Don't go out. Chill lang. Let them come inside.
Naka-brimstone sila, Sir Cooks.
Brimstone, okay, copy that. After engage, ha, ano na lang. Engagean mo sila after kung engage siguro. If they're on the choke. They will flood after ito. Uy! Sayang ka, men. Tangina mo.
They engage.
Tap.
Okay, everyone now. CC them. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Naman na southeast now. Full drop
They have
southeast.
one more. They have one more.
Okay. Go back. Go back.
Yeah,
We still have Giga. Don't use Giga yet, okay? Don't use Giga yet. Don't go too deep, Don't go too deep, my boys. Chill. Where's their bomb? Did you mark the bomb?
wait, yeah. I think this guy. There's another guy, the Mega Marshmallow with the camline.
Okay.
2 engage, no bomb, I think.
They coming.
No, that's fake. Okay. They have another engage. Wait. They have another engage. Boys. Wait lang. Chill lang. I will shallow on this root bound. Ready? East now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The root bound is.
GA.
Go back. Okay. Okay, pop your giga now. Pop your giga. Nice bomb,
Yeah,
nice brim.
Tap.
Nice brim. Go ripa. Demon. Demon soak. Demon and soak. Oh, Jas, why are you there? You are bomb, right? Why are you near? What happened? Positioning. Just stay stuck on floor, Just. Why you stay with us? You shouldn't die on that. Ilang. Namatay yung carving ko. Yam, carving ka, di ba, Yam? Iles, are you red color, Iles? Naka-red color ka ba? Shadow color, okay. Patience lang.
Coming.
Okay, CC them now on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone just drop on the choke now. Just drop on the choke. Demon. Heal the front line.
Tap.
Okay?
One more.
Heal the front line. Good choke. Heal the front. Please mark, GA, Hawa. Can you look south, Hawa? Their bomb staying in the south. Go north a bit. Let them come inside.
Pollen yan si Awan.
Ay, wala na akong GA.
They're looking.
Ay, let them come inside,
Careful, Shaper.
Guys,
Let them come inside.
don't clump up west side.
Their bomb will follow up after they engage, be careful. They shallow nyo. Careful, Shadow. Shielded.
Can you range
Chill lang.
QW under GA? In the south.
Chill lang. Let them come inside. Ando, stay in the, don't stay here. Can you stay in the, east side? Dito sa taas. Can you stay here, east? Over the wall, Ando. You are great
Careful,
fire, right? Hellfire. Over here, Ando. At the top, at the top.
Heal the
Heal the front, heal the front. Heal the bomb, heal the bomb, heal the bomb. Yeah, stay there, Ando. See? You're safe there, bro. You will not get engaged.
Use Rutan, enemy.
Chill lang. Let them come inside, patience. Patience lang, let them come. If you want to win, let them come.
Step back a bit.
Step up a bit. Let the battle mount stay there.
Looking.
Looking.
Pa-check ako ng bomb, ha? Pa-check ng bomb.
Matras.
They're out. They're going up.
Another block times.
Another blob southwest. Can you check?
Check that blob. Is that TFD?
TFD, 10 DA.
TFD.
How many DA TFD?
10.
10 DA.
Okay, it's doable.
7 minutes.
Who's the
na lang.
caller? Is it Maverick or no?
No. Wait. Let me check.
Pwede DA na rin yung yung Wawa.
Oh, just gonna
I want to check the southwest. Can you check southwest a bit?
I will.
Southwest gate. Pa-check ko ng southwest gate.
Yeah, clear.
11
Basag lang yung second gate sa may southwest, ha?
11
Okay.
DA na. Flying.
Are they fighting? I need scout on them. Are they fighting or no?
TFD is mounted up and.
Give me info.
Was still dismounted.
Rush is going to
Southwest now moving
West.
southwest.
Russia's going west.
Boa is going
Okay,
south.
just keep giving me info first, okay? We don't go out yet. Only my tongues, okay? Only my tongues.
Stay inside castle lang tayo, Cox.
Let them,
Let them fuck their
Okay. Boa is going northeast again.
Dutchman's dismounting.
They're dismounted.
Okay,
They're
can you go northeast now? Follow me. We're gonna sandwich.
Dutchman and Voa are gonna fight.
We're gonna sandwich Boa. Okay?
Sir Cook, southwest side, DFD, east side, pinaka, Voa.
Okay, follow me.
Ito sa may
this
water
is
bridge.
TFD
TFD is southwest. TFD is
TFD
southwest of you right now. If you hit them, it's TFD.
We're facing what?
You're facing TFD right now.
We're facing Voa. You're facing Voa, Sir Cox.
Okay, walk west. I'm facing Boa, right? Come to me
Yes,
southwest. Walk southwest now. Walk southwest. Keep walking south.
Below the choke.
Come to me southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this choke.
Sa ilan.
Tangina. TFD yun.
Okay lang.
It's okay. Still Buwa.
Yeah, they
Okay.
lost a lot. TFD.
Okay, hold a bit.
Hard south mo.
Hold a bit. Give me info. What are info?
Hard south. South east.
Go north for now. Is that TFD? TFD facing us?
It's Maverick.
Okay, go northeast.
He's looking.
Kita bit to Terry. Ditang spill them.
TFD is now looking at us.
Want to fight me?
TFD is now looking at us. Okay.
Okay.
Calm down.
Chill lang.
Chill.
Hold lang.
Just go back to the castle, boys. I think Voa got wiped already.
Okay. How many DA, Maverick?
Wait, let me check. Last is 13. Maybe higher
30?
now. No, 13.
13.
1-3.
1-3, 13.
1-3.
Okay.
Let me check again.
1-3.
Nagulat ako doon pag sinabi mo 30, putang ina, takbo tayo. Takbo tayo, men, huwag.
Voa 14.
4 minutes.
Voa is 13. TFD. Oh, fuck. Never mind. TFD 26 DA.
Really?
Yeah, 26 DA. Sir Cox. TFD.
4 minutes.
Tapos na yung fight nila, Cox, ayan na sila. Papunta
Voa
na sila.
is...
Okay.
Boa 14
Looking
now.
na sa inyo.
Sige. G tayo dito. Kumita dito. Try natin. Ano, G, kaya ako?
26.
Kami muna, Cox, pa-first engage kami, Cox, pa-first engage.
Pakita natin yung top 2 natin.
Mark Maverick, okay?
Shit, Flying Dutchman is here.
Patay
27
tayo
DA
sa-
sa Recox, 27 now.
27.
Okay,
what the
sige lang, sige lang.
3
Okay,
minutes.
Spread lang. Don't give up on the choke. May ditang, don't give up on the choke, please. Don't give up on the choke.
Invite
Don't give up the choke.
Invite
Don't give up the choke, please. Don't give up the choke. Don't give up the choke. Open the
Cancel
chest, ha. We're gonna hold for 3 minutes.
Can someone cancel the
Maverick.
ballista? Chariot is getting molested.
We're showing them, like, you know, like, we act like a,
Top
ano,
2.
We act like we deserve rank 2.
Yes.
Guardian armor, they will flood, they will flood. Be careful. Okay, wait. Giga now. Just Giga. Giga now. Come to me, Wasad on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just drop everyone. Was. Drop us. Wala kayong mga giga, men. Wala kayong mga giga. Was. Walang mga